I think the main thing that brought me to NIKKEN was the spirit of innovation, that sort of drive and need to change things up every day to try and get the product and the customer's experience as good as it can be, whether that's developing a new product, modifying an existing product to better suit their needs, or developing a whole solution for them.
NIKKEN as a word means learn from your everyday research. We're very confident that in any engineering problem we can find that solution.
In respect of craftsmanship and what we put into our products, this all starts from our former president, Mr. Matsumoto. He was a subcontract manufacturer. He went out to the market, had a look around to see tool holders, rotary tables and other equipment to improve his own productivity. Didn't find what he needed, so he started developing his own solutions, and that philosophy has gone through the years and continues today.
The spirit of innovation shows up in the way we develop precision tools, and with all these facilities here like NIKKEN Innovation Center Europe, we want to be close at the market, close to the customer. We want to improve the processes of our customer. That's the counterstones of Kaizen.
The spirit of innovation is about leading the way, leading the pack, to invest in the research and development side of the business, to be number one and maintain that spot throughout our lifespan.
I would define craftsmanship really as expertise and attention to detail. We're talking about microns in the world of manufacture. Every little counts. And having that passion really to take care in the manufacture and in the products you're creating, that's true craftsmanship. And I think that's something that runs deep through our Japanese roots.